Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to learn how to recover your recently deleted post. So basically sometimes we have just deleted a post by mistake and we want to just recover it. So Instagram has just given a feature in which we can just recover it within 30 days. Make sure that your post which was deleted just not past the 30 days. After that Instagram will automatically delete it. So how we can just recover that? You have to just go to your profile icon on the right bottom, then go to the three lines on the right side top, or then go to your activity over here and just scroll all the way down to the recently deleted. Click on that and you can see over here that only you can see these posts. This will be permanently deleted after the number of days shown. After that you won't be able to restore them, but make sure that after 30 days they will be just deleted and you won't be able to restore. So in order to restore, click on the post over here, click on three dots and click on restore over here. If you just delete it from over here, it will be just permanently deleted. You won't be able to restore this post. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.